Are you trying to decide between vinyl and fiberglass windows for your home? Each has its advantages in cost, durability, and energy efficiency. So let's explore which option might be the best investment for your home. Hey, I'm Chris from Southwest Exteriors, and welcome back to the Home Solutions channel. Today we're going to compare two popular window materials, vinyl and fiberglass. In this video, we're going to break down the advantages and disadvantages of both vinyl and fiberglass windows. Then we're going to pit them head to head to help you understand the differences between their costs, maintenance, energy efficiency, and style options so you can make an informed decision for the new windows on your home. Vinyl windows are known for their cost effectiveness and energy efficiency. They are generally less expensive than fiberglass and provide excellent insulation. Vinyl is also very low maintenance as it does not require painting or staining and resists moisture effectively. On the downside, vinyl windows can be less durable over long periods of time, especially in extreme climates. They may warp or crack under intense heat or cold. Additionally, they have limited color and style options, which might not suit all home designs. Fiberglass windows, on the other hand, boast superior durability and strength. They are less likely to warp, shrink, or crack compared to vinyl. Fiberglass frames can also be painted, offering a broader range of customization options to match any home decor. However, fiberglass windows are typically more expensive than vinyl. They require a higher initial investment, which might not be ideal for every budget. Additionally, they can be more complex to install, potentially increasing labor costs. When comparing vinyl and fiberglass windows head-to-head, vinyl is more budget-friendly while fiberglass excels in durability and offers slightly better energy efficiency. As for aesthetics, fiberglass provides more design options while vinyl has limited color choices. Now that you're familiar with the pros and cons, you can make a more informed choice for your home. Curious about the practical differences between vinyl and fiberglass windows? Let's make it real for you. We invite you to compare two top-performing windows, Marvin Essentials fiberglass window and Renewal by Andersen's composite wood vinyl windows. Each offers unique benefits and showcases the best of their material category. For an in-depth look and to see them side by side, visit our detailed review on our website and linked above, or follow the link in the description below to see how these windows perform in real-world applications and decide which is the right choice for your home. Thank you for stopping by and learning about vinyl and fiberglass windows. For more insights into the latest in-home improvement solutions, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on those notifications. Thank you so much for stopping by the Home Solutions channel, where we want you to have the look you love coming home to.